Okay, hi Nicholas. As I told you here, I am going to explain you the exercise number 16. That is with the same steps that we already made the other exercises, okay? Here we have -3 over 4 from 5 over 6. 5 over 6. The first thing that we have to do is that we're going to change. We're going to organize the problem. So we're going to move this fraction over here. 5 over 6 minus -3 over -4. Okay? So as I told you previously, here with the we're not going to change the first fraction, okay? We're going to write the same. 5 over 6. Now here we have a minus, we're going to write a plus. Here we have a negative, that's going to be positive number over 4. Then we're going to find the least common multiple between 6 and 4. Okay? So we have the second of 4, 2, the second of 6, 3, the second of 2, 1, down the number 3, and the third of 3 is 1. And then we're going to multiply. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. So it means that the least common multiple is 12. Okay? Now, 6 times 2, 12. 4 times 3, 12. Okay? Now, something important. If we multiply here by 2, the denominator by 2, we're going to multiply sorry. Okay, by 2. If we multiply the denominator by 2, we're going to multiply the numerator by 2. Okay? So here it's the same. 3 and times 3. Okay? 5 times 2, 10. And plus 3 times 3, 9. Here, both numbers are positive, so it means that we're going to make an addition. If we add that numbers, the answer is going to be 19. 19 over 12, and that's all. Okay? The idea is that we have a subtraction, and we have to change that subtraction into an addition. That's the main idea. Okay? Bye.